Gumaraa is for the wider community. We're here to deliver a cultural program that suits everyone, especially a part of reconciliation. This is what we do as Aboriginal people, is give everyone an understanding of local significant Aboriginal culture. Gumaraa is a representation of a language group here on the south coast, which is Dharawal and Dharawal language. Gumaraa means wise old man. All my forefathers were all wise old men, so me as a young man taking on that role to deliver the Aboriginal culture, what they've passed down to me.
Gumaraa offers a range of activities and programs. We have cultural learning for Indigenous people, and then we have a side of the business where it's for everybody, so it's inclusive, so that people can get really excited about Aboriginal culture so that they can be proud of the country that they live on.
Gumaraa offers digital programs, art workshops, spear making and dance workshops. Also canoeing and fishing and a whole bunch more.
What you can expect to take away from doing a cultural tour is first look at our knowledge, how we care for our country, what it means to us, and you can take that home and implement that into your everyday life. When we go into schools, what we do is a welcome to country, because it's really important that we practice our culture properly. So we cleanse the area, we wake up the earth, we get everything ready, get all those bad spirits away. Then we jump into our rotations, which is artefact talk, so they learn about the tools and various other items that we use traditionally, and also how we use them maybe still in the modern world today.
We do boomerang throwing, spear throwing, so all that fun stuff, paint them up, play jokes and that with them. It's great.
And also bush tucker as well, so we get to talk about all the native vegetation that is around Australia, so kids can start going out and identifying these plants by themselves and learning all the uses.
Well, what we do at Symbio there, we work alongside Ranger Jamie, where we'll come in and we'll conduct stories through the native animals of Australia. So if we pull out a snake, well, we'll talk about that snake in the Dreamtime story. We'll talk about that snake on, how it survives, what's our relationship with that snake. Then we'll take them on an experience and talk about all the other native animals there, such as the kangaroo, the emu, and what's so significant about those animals.
Building relationships with other people, teachers, kids, the community, makes me go home and makes me feel so good about what I'm doing. It makes a difference in everyone else's lives.
So we offer experiences, welcome to country packages, where we come to a particular area and we'll give a welcome to country. If there's a new office getting built and they want Aboriginal people to come in and conduct the smoker ceremony. A smoker ceremony is fairly sacred, so what we do is burn native gum leaves, all native plants, clearing the pathway, so get rid of all the negative energy and make their business a success.
It's important to preserve Aboriginal culture because a lot of culture has been lost over the years. So it's really important, things like Gumaraa, to embrace Aboriginal culture, and for people, both non-Indigenous and Indigenous people, to be able to practice their culture and to share that culture as well.
So whatever we have left, if we can put that into the community, that is super important for everyone around to have awareness for our culture.
I want everyone to come and experience a local Aboriginal cultural first-hand experience here in Illawarra. We've been here delivering culture for 40,000 years, and we want to keep delivering culture here in Illawarra for another 40,000 years.